Today I'm going to show you how we pack for a week-long trip. This is the longest camping trip that we're going to go, so there's going to be a lot of stuff. But in order to go in and pack, we have to take out this big cover because we live in with an HOA neighborhood, and the rule is we have to have the cover on
all the time.
All the time. So, and we go out like every weekend. So when we come back, the next day, we usually have to, unpack and then put this over. And then when we leave, we have to take it out, undo. And it's such a pain just to put it on and off. We have to get a ladder. Let's see how fast you can do it.
It's not the oral kayak, okay?
Roll, unroll.
The things I do for Bam Bam.
I know. Thank you.
And
babe.
Bam Bam's mother.
Thank you. For this trip, we're bringing the bath rug, so it's washable. Usually I have this big white comfortable rug that runs the whole length of the inside of the RV, but that one is not washable. So for this long trip, since we're gonna go hiking, I'm just gonna bring this so I can wash them later. More clothes.
Wow, that's a lot of clothing there, honey.
Oh. Well, we're gonna go for 7 nights, and at least it's just really thin clothes. It's not
Clothing
cold.
for summer.
Yeah, well, this is for the fall.
Ah.
So, but I was able to organize the clothes right here. That way I can put them inside these baskets. So my husband gets 2 baskets and I get 2 baskets for our clothes.
For me, I thought I get 1 basket, she gets 3.
Yeah. So we're packing all the underwears and socks for 7 nights in here. Probably 2 sets of sleeping clothes for you with an extra sleeping shirts in here, and yeah, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I pack extra shirt for you, so you have 9 shirts for 8 days, 7 nights. Okay, so I think everything fits right here. An extra long sleeve shirt, just in case you have to layer when it's cold. And I packed for my husband 4 pairs of shorts and 4 pairs of jeans. So that should be enough, right, honey?
I guess.
Yeah. Okay, yes, so perfect. See, everything fits in here. So those 2 are for you, and for me, since my clothes are pretty small and compact, actually, how many shirts do I have?
But you have a lot more shirts than I do.
7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 tank tops.
For 7 days.
No, 8 days, 7 nights. And then 2 long sleeve shirts, just in case I have to layer if it's cold when we go hiking. And then I usually just wear leggings when we go on our camping trip, so they're very small and compact. And this is a very soft lounging around leggings and shorts so that we could go on the narrows. It's gonna be wet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of leggings, shorts, and then an extra pair of thick leggings. Let's see.
So he gets 10 pairs of pants.
Yeah.
I get 6.
You see, it's so compact. Good thing we don't need jeans well, I don't need jeans, or else probably would not fit in here. And then for this basket, it's just sleeping, 2 pairs of sleeping clothes, underwear, socks. They're very small, so plenty of room. And we pack 2 small towels.
Very small.
Very small. This is actually the half of the regular size towel, and I bought the fast drying towel from TJ Maxx, and I just cut it in half and sew the edge, and so that I can bring it. We don't have room for one big towel, and besides it, that way it dries faster. Okay, so the 2 towels, makeup bag, and this one is just for toothbrushes, toothpaste, face wash that goes in here. And then of course I have this bag for the hair dryer and the curling iron.
Oh my gosh.
Well, your razor, a little makeup mirror. Hopefully we don't get bitten. This
Mosquito
is
repellent?
Mosquito repellent. Yeah, that's it. Everything fits in here. Since we're gonna have full hookup, so I can use the hair dryer too. That way I don't have to sleep with wet hair after we take a shower. And extra light jackets for me.
3?
I have 3. I think I have room. Yeah, I can put it down here. And then our down jackets, we put it up there. And then actually I pack you a light jacket also, just in case it's not cold, too cold, you can wear your light jacket.
Okay.
Okay. And yeah, let me put these up here. Actually, yours go on this side. Oops. Yeah, everything fits. Oh, okay. Mine should fit too. Yes. Perfect. A little too much right there. Okay, so let me put the bench up. Okay, so here's our mattress topper. It's queen size. Oh my gosh, but why is it so bulky? It's 2 inches thick. All right, let's put the throw blanket over just to make it nice looking. Let's put these pillows back on. Now we have space right here to put the 2 baskets that I just bought so that we could store more stuff.
Okay.
Drink basket.
Chips, yes.
And this basket is full of snacks.
Honey, I think we can put more chips in there.
Oh my god, there's a lot of chips and like peanuts. What do we have?
Pork rind.
Pork rinds and some Vietnamese snacks. And I found a perfect spot for my bag. It fits right in here. The storage space in the back here is for my husband's camera equipment. He's gonna fill this up. Right, honey?
Yes.
Has some stuff in here already, but he has more. for the garage portion, we have these things to fit in here. And on this side, we have the emergency tools. Over here, the flat tire. I don't know what that is.
Inflator, yeah. Mhm.
Inflator. And then in this bag, we have the extension cord, the cord to charge the RV, and the surge protector. Everything fits in this bag. And it fits over here also. So let's put the chairs in. We have 2 chairs that fits perfectly on this side now. We also have 2 walking sticks, heavy duty. And then the tray for the bed. Breakfast in bed. In this bag, there's a tablecloth and some clips for the picnic table. That fits right in there. We are going to bring about 4 or 5 gallons of water, but right now we only have 2, so we're gonna have to drop by Costco and buy some more. Okay, you know, for this trip, we are bringing this mat. It's actually very good to take off the dirt from our shoes before we get inside the van. It just scrape up all the dirt. We love it. And it will fit in right here. We are bringing our small table. Let's put it this side. And we are going to cook breakfast, bacons and eggs. So we're bringing this butane stovetop. The cast iron pan. In here. Oh, this bag has the fresh water hose so that we could fill up our fresh water tank. The filter fits in here also. You can fit it right here. And in this bag, we just have the shorter hose, the water hose, so that we could flush the black tank.
Yes.
That goes there. And just 2 pairs of sandals to walk around. And 2 pairs of walking shoes. So
Still a lot of
still,
space in there.
yes, well, we have to put more water in here, but I mean, we could pack more stuff, but I don't know what else. Do we need to pack? Nothing, huh? We pack very light. And this is our little fridge and tiny little freezer. We just have some food, some eggs, some food, veggie, some bread. We need to buy more bread, and ham and cheese to pack lunch.
Lots of fruit.
Yeah, I know, lots of fruits. And then some sparkling drinks. Actually, these sparkling drinks from Costco, very good, very tasty. And let me show you the freezer. Let me get up here. I'm too short. Bacon, some meat, meatballs, steak, but that's all we can fit. Actually, we could maybe fit a little another piece of steak right here. But
Oh, take a piece.
yes, tiny little freezer. We still have a lot of room right here. Actually, for more drinks, but right now we don't have anything yet. And
Vodka.
vodka. Do we need to refill?
Oh my gosh.
Okay. All right, I think we are all set and ready to go. So if you have any suggestions for us so that we could pack more efficiently for our next trip, because eventually we plan to take even a longer trip than 7 nights. But then I wouldn't know where to put all the bulky, clothes. If we have to bring the more bulky clothes for the winter, we probably have to get rid of the drinks and the snacks.
No.
To put more clothes in here.
No snacks. No chips.
No, because look, we can fill all these baskets, honey, with more snacks.
What?
See, there's still room.
A lot of room for more chips.
Yeah, but still more room for more chips. So let's hope we'll get to see you on the road. Let's go, honey.
All right, start the engine.
Start the engine.